That's absurd.
It's absurd.
That's absurd.
That's absurd. That's absurd means something is ridiculous and doesn't make sense. For example, you think I planned all of this? That's absurd.
I'm stunned.
I'm stunned.
I'm stunned.
Stunned. Stunned means shocked and unable to react for a moment. For example, he was stunned when she said she was leaving.
Manipulative.
Manipulation.
Manipulating us.
Manipulative. Manipulative means someone controls people using guilt, emotions, or lies. For example, he kept crying to make her stay. It was manipulative.
Drained.
I'm drained.
Drained.
Drained. Drained means you feel completely tired with no energy left. For example, after arguing all night, she felt drained.
Overwhelming.
I'm overwhelmed.
I'm so overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means you have too much to handle emotionally or mentally. For example, I'm overwhelmed with work and I can't think straight.
I'm devastated.
Devastated.
Devastating.
Devastated. Devastated means extremely sad and emotionally destroyed. For example, she was devastated when she found out he cheated.
Was unbearable.
Unbearable.
It's unbearable.
Unbearable. Unbearable means so bad or annoying that you can't tolerate it anymore. For example, the pain was unbearable, so he went to the hospital.
You're petty. Petty arguments.
Because you're petty.
Petty. Petty means caring too much about small, unimportant things, especially in a childish way. For example, she was still mad about a joke from 2 years ago. It was petty.
Too clingy.
Who needs those clingy?
Pretty clingy one at that.
Clingy. Clingy means someone wants too much attention and stays too close emotionally. For example, he texts her every 5 minutes. It's getting clingy.
Call the submission.
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 Submission. Submission means giving in. It's like accepting someone else's control or decision. For example, he expected submission, but she refused.
The elderly.
Elderly man. Elderly.
Elderly. Elderly simply means old, usually used in a respectful way for older people. For example, she helps elderly people in her neighborhood.
I'm flattered.
I'm flattered.
I'm flattered.
I'm flattered. I'm flattered means you feel happy and honored because someone complimented you or showed interest in you. For example, I'm flattered, but I'm not looking for a relationship right now.